interest in buying the government stake in Hindustan Zinc Limited. Remember, this is Vedanta, which is also in the process of getting the delisting bid on track. It's got the shareholder approval as well, so we should be seeing Vedanta getting delisted. But it also does want to buy off the stake owned by the government. I guess the idea is essentially to perhaps then delist Hindustan Zinc as well. This is of course just rumors. It's just reports at this point of time that are abuzz. But look at the stock price of Hindustan Zinc. It's taken a sharp spike after this was reported. Meantime, another big mover in trade is also Ashok Leyland. We did have management commentary coming in after the conference call. They say that the recovery will happen first in LCVs, followed by ICVs and MNHCVs. There's excellent feedback for the BS6 modular platform. And yes, they are also saying that for FY21, 500 to 600 rupees will be the Capex, as there is some amount of committed Capex already. They do believe that price discovery for BS6 has not happened. So that's Ashok Leyland. Look at the way the stock price as well is rallying today and trade. A massive momentum being witnessed, almost 12% higher now at 60 rupees. Moving on, another big mover is also Indigo. In fact, this is not just day one of a rally. We've seen the stock price of Indigo rally very, very smartly in the last couple of days. In fact, with this move, now we are above 1100 rupees for the stock. So just in the last 2-3 trading sessions, or just so far this week, we've seen the stock move from a low point of roughly about 938 rupees that we saw between 7th and 8th of August. Now it's gone to 1140 rupees. So that's of course Interglobe Aviation for you. Let's also now talk about another stock that's buzzing, and that's ECLERX. This one too, double-digit rally. We're seeing a lot of pricing momentum, in these stocks. So that is something that is causing, there's also a result reaction for ECLERX. The one thing that's pretty interesting is the fact that there is the cut in expenses that has been witnessed, which ECLERX had been trying to do for some time. Brokerages as well say that the worst seems to be behind the company and that the earnings outlook seems to be pretty strong. That's at least what ECLERX is saying. The profit after tax, by the way, came in a tad bit lower at 52 crore rupees. And finally, another result reaction coming in Venky. The results came out roughly about an hour ago, and since then there's been a sharp rally in the stock price of Venky. Good margin expansion at 13.3% versus roughly about 11%.